Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase k and then look at some words that begin with the letter. Let's begin. Lowercase k sits between the two lines. You do the left hand side line first and then the two smaller lines. Like this. Now let's look at some words. K for king. K for kaleidoscope. K for kingfisher. K for ketchup. And finally, K for kind. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.